friends, I am in a car right now. So I'm not in Mykonos, I'm not in London, but I have a lot of footage from my travels and my time abroad that I'm still editing. So as you saw by the title, today I'm going to be showing you a little bit from my trip to Mykonos, which I love looking at these clips and looking at the delicious gyros, my time at the beach in the cutest Airbnb ever. But without further ado, let's get into my little Mykonos recap.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your lip?
We made it to Mykonos. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Our Airbnb host just dropped us off. We're walking around and it's gorgeous out, guys. Gorgeous.
Heart in mind. What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me.
Hey guys, so we landed in Mykonos and honestly I was lost for words with how beautiful it was. It was also really empty because we were there during off season, so a lot of the stuff was closed, but we quickly found a place to eat. We went to this little crepes place and look, cutest dog ever to the right. It was amazing. You guys know my obsession, so I had to get some gelato, and after exploring the town for a little bit, we got a ride from our Airbnb host, which was really cool. I feel like the Airbnb hosts here are super hospitable. Drove us to our place, which was a little bit of a drive from town, but it was a beautiful drive, as you can see. And here we are at our Airbnb. Honestly, I was so blown away with this place. It was the cutest little home, and the way they decorated it was very Greek, as you can see, with the blue and white, and even the bathroom. Like, guys, the bathroom, look at the shower. It was so cool.
Yeah, she's what I need.
Without a doubt, my favorite part of this Airbnb was this window and the dining table. I would make coffee in the morning and sit here and journal or listen to music and just look at this view. It was amazing.
I still need to recover from another lover.
After settling into our place a bit and unpacking, we of course had to head to the beach. Our place had this little more private beach, a walking distance, just this little path trail thing from our place. So we headed over there, and it was like a great temperature to lie out and kind of tan. So we met up with some friends there and kind of just laid out at the beach, which was honestly the best thing ever. And then after, we washed up and walked to dinner at this seafood restaurant, and it also had a beautiful view once again and the most delicious food. After that, there was a really pretty sunset outside, so we went to check it out, and we got to walk back during sunset, which was so pretty. Then at our Airbnb, we actually had a hot tub, so we just hung out there for a little while, and that's where we ended the night.
What can I do?
Alright, so the next morning for our first and actually our only full day, I started off by sitting at my favorite spot in the house. Then a couple of my friends and I decided to walk over to this little bakery cafe thing nearby and check out what pastries they had because we wanted to have a little picnic on the beach. I also got my first authentic Greek coffee here. Guys, this is my first time getting Greek coffee. Well, a Greek latte. And look at my cute little bendy straw and my fun little cup. Wow, that's so sweet.
What can I do? Come back with me. We can get out to see the stars now.
after having our little breakfast on the beach, we just laid there and hung out for a while, and then we had lunch reservations at this sushi place. After lunch, we headed to town again, and this time we decided to do a little bit of jewelry / souvenir shopping.
To recover from another lover. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen, yeah. Pretty blue jeans and me. Welcome to the house where hopes might as well be worthless. All my time around still feels like cartoon blue here. Welcome to the place where hearts will break slowly. You can't run away, they'll air out your dirty little trick. And I'm so tired of hiding, I'm feeling broken. Wish that someday this house won't feel like it's haunted. Cause I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken. No, I don't wanna hide that I'm feeling broken. And if you let me down, go slowly. Too many times I've said I'm sorry. You will never see me cry like this. Hope that we'll both know what it's best left unsaid. And I said that I'm
Well, thank you so much for watching with me. I had so much fun editing this and looking back at my little trip in Mykonos. This is probably like my favorite trip. It was so nice and relaxing. Nonetheless, I have, I think, one more like travel video left, one other place I traveled to, and then I have a couple little recaps from the end of the semester, but I am home and I'm very excited to get back to my kitchen, to my sewing, my crafting, my bigger closet. So we will be seeing a lot more of all of those things. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Hashtag happiness.